learn. Get ready to go. Get ready to see. Kids Happy, the best place to be.
Hello little learners, are you ready to learn your ABCs? Let's go on a fun alphabet adventure. A is for apple, apple, apples are yummy and red. B is for ball, ball, bounce the ball high. C is for cat, coo, cat, meow meow goes the cat. D is for dog, dog, woof woof. E is for elephant, elephant, elephants have big trunks.
F is for fish, F, fish, swim little fish.
G is for giraffe, giraffe, look how tall it is. H is for hat, hat, put on your hat. I is for ice cream, ice cream, so cold and sweet. J is for jelly, jelly, wiggle wiggle jelly. K is for kite, kite, fly high in the sky. L is for lion, lion, roar like a lion. M is for monkey, monkey, swing monkey. N is for nest, nest, birds live in a nest. O is for orange, orange, juicy and sweet. P is for penguin, penguin, waddle waddle. Q is for queen, queen, she wears a crown. R is for rainbow, rainbow, so many colors. S is for sun, SS.
T is for tiger, tiger, growl growl.
U is for umbrella, umbrella, stay dry in the rain. V is for van, van, let's go for a ride. W is for whale, whale, splash splash. X is for xylophone, xylophone, ting ting music. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, zebra, black and white stripes. Yay, you did it. Let's say all the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, all the way to Z.